Y'all, my dog ate my package. I mean, is that gonna stop me from finding out what it is? No. Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm a blogger, and companies send me PR packages, and I never know what it's gonna be. This better be good, though. 'Cause my dog was like, "Mom, open it." I'm like, all right. Should you go towards yourself when you're cutting? I don't know. The subtotal was 00. I'm not going to look at whatever that packing was. I feel like that's such a cheating. Factor 5 Gentle Gel Cleanser. Lulu tried to eat gel cleanser. I mean, I guess I could use some cleansing. All right, let's see what we got. Hang on. Shake before use. Wet face with warm water. Apply 1 pump of Gentle Glow Cleanser onto your fingertips and work into a lather. Massage face gently. Rinse. For best results, use twice daily, morning and night. After cleansing, apply preferred Factor 5 skin. I don't have those things. I'm sorry I read all that to you. I don't know why I did that. It says put it on your face. This cleaner. All right, let's smell it, and then we're gonna put it on our face. Because what else are we doing right now? All right. Ooh, how is that a gel? Got bubbles. Alright, okay, we're about to find out if it's gel. Wait. So, do the bifocals thing. That's a jelly for sure. I just did that for thumbnail purposes. Alright, let me go 7M washer right here. Boom. Should not have been in my kitchen, but you know what? It was, so. Alright, here we go. It's just see, I have wrinkles, but I mean, it's not going to change that. Okay. Cleansing. It has 0 smell. Like, none. It's a weird smell, I'm not going to lie. Okay. And then I'm just supposed to, I got way too much of it. So my biggest thing is like, does it feel sticky? And then, or like, does it feel like chalkboard, like hands on a chalkboard? Those are the things I care about, like in a cleanser. And then of course, like days from now, does it break me out? I will say that looks pretty good. Okay, and it's not sticky. Like I can do this. Like, right? Like I can do that and I can do this. Like it feels good. I wish you could feel. I wish we had fill-o-vision. All right, like non-cleansed. I'm gonna cleanse it. Let's cleanse it. Let's go. I'm not gonna do it on my face because that feels like not the move, but yeah. I had like a skin tint on earlier a little bit. Nothing big. I mean, I didn't do my eyes. Okay, let me dry it because like wet skin and dry skin just look very different. Right? Cleansed. Not cleansed. Feels really good actually. But I mean, yeah, it took off my stuff because look, you can see my dark spot. All right, maybe it works.